So I was out and about today. Had some things I had to go and take care of, blah, blah, blah. I was out and I saw Coca-Cola Orange Cream, right? I saw it like in a bunch of, like, in can, like, in a can size, right? They were like, they came in a bunch of cans, in a box, blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, well, what if I get the whole entire box and I drink and I try one and I don't like it? Well, I just spent anywhere between 17 and 20 bucks. So that's why I keep on telling everyone, you guys, whoever, blah, 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 go small before you go big, right? I didn't feel like, and I went to like another store, and I saw bottles of Coca-Cola Orange Cream, right? I was in one store, and I saw a bunch of cans, soda cans, Orange Cream Coca-Cola, right? And I was like, oh, well, what if I buy all these cans and I don't like it? Blah, 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 right? Orange Cream Coca-Cola, right? Orange Cream Coca-Cola. What if, let's say I bought all those cans and I tried one and I didn't like it. Now I have a whole bunch of cans I don't like, and I wasted anywhere between 17 to 20 bucks. So I went to another store, got some stuff that I needed, and I saw a bunch of bottles by themselves. I was like, okay, hey, let's try it, right? So I went to the store, I was in the store, and I saw them all sitting by themselves, so I'm going to try it and give you my thoughts. It still smells like Coke. It still smells like Coke, right? Put my straw in the thing, right? So, here we go. It still tastes like Coke, right? It still tastes like a little bit like Coke, whatever. I mean, I'm not going to give it like a 10.5 or something, right? I can't really taste any cream. I can taste more of the Coca-Cola rather than the orange cream. I looked online. Some people said, oh, well, it tastes like this or it tastes like that. Blah, blah, blah. To me, Coca-Cola have always tasted like Coca-Cola. There's always tasted like Coca-Cola, right? Pepsi tastes like Pepsi. Mountain Dew tastes like Mountain Dew. Coca-Cola tastes like Coca-Cola. Right? I was thinking orange cream would have tasted like cream soda, right? I was thinking that, orange cream Coca-Cola would have tasted like, cream soda, right? I was thinking that the orange cream Coca-Cola would have tasted more like cream. But, no, not really. Not really. I'm going to give it a 4, right? I don't think it tastes anything like an orange cream, I thought it would taste like more like cream soda, blah, 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 right? I thought it would taste like cream soda. I thought it would taste like cream soda. But, nope, nope, nope. I'm glad I did not buy a whole bunch of cans of orange cream You know, because then I would have wasted anywhere between 17 and 20 bucks. So I saw this sitting in a store somewhere, Orange Cream Coca-Cola. Right? I was like, okay, it's by itself. It probably cost me, I don't know, like maybe $2 or $3, blah, blah, blah. So I got it. That's my review. That is my review of Coca-Cola Orange Cream. It does not taste anything like orange cream, right? Yeah. Yeah. Does not taste anything like, you know, they said that, oh, it's supposed to, you know, taste smoothie. It's supposed to taste like a smooth cream or something, whatever. I still taste the Coca-Cola in it, right? I still taste the Coca-Cola. Hey, let's put some Mentos in there. Fuck, I don't have any. I don't have any Mentos. I could have put some Mentos in there and shook it up. Yeah. I don't got any fucking Mentos. Damn it. But I thought orange cream would have tasted like cream soda, right? Cream soda. It doesn't really taste anything like cream soda. So, that is my review, right? I put a straw in the goddamn thing, drank it a couple times, right? Yeah. I still think it tastes like Coca-Cola. Right? What if I shook it up, right? What if I shook it up a bit? Well, at least I didn't open it, you know. I did it right in the sink. Right in the sink. Now let's give it a whirl. Nope. Even after I shook it up. Even after I shook it up. Still tastes like Coca-Cola. Yep. I thought it would taste anywhere like a cream, you know, like cream soda, right? I got cream soda sitting right over there. I thought it would taste like cream soda. But, nope. So that is my review of Orange Cream Coca-Cola. I'm not going to say it's a 10. I'm going to give it a 4 because I still taste the Coca-Cola in it, right? Mountain Dew tastes like Mountain Dew. Pepsi tastes like Pepsi. I think it still tastes like a little bit like Coca-Cola, maybe. Yeah, yeah. So that's my review of Orange Cream Coca-Cola. I'm glad I did not buy a whole case of Orange Cream Coca-Cola because then I would have wasted anywhere between 17 and 20 bucks. So there is my review of Orange Cream Coca-Cola. That's my review.